Hey guys, so for this video, we're going to look at how you can make your own Spanish or any language Sudoku puzzle. It's actually pretty simple. In the description of the video, I'll have a link to this blank version that you see right here, and you can download that and use that or make a copy of it in your Google Drive, and you can use it. Once you have that, step one is going to be to find a free Sudoku puzzle. If you want to start with easy, that's what I'm going to do right now. So I found a Sudoku puzzle online that was free, and you can see it here on my screen on the right. I just saved it, took a picture of it, and opened it up. I'm going to use that to make my puzzle. So what you have to do is pick a word to correspond with each number. So my words you can see are down here in the bottom. They're kind of small, but they're there. So for example, all of the ones that you see in the puzzle over here on the right, I'm going to replace them with the word pie. And all the number twos I'll replace with pierna, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to do that right now so you can see what that looks like. All right, so once you're done, I do recommend that you make sure that you look at each box and make sure you got the right amount of words in there, just to ensure that your students are able to solve the puzzle. And then I would also suggest that you solve it yourself, because I've done this before where I messed up just a little bit and the puzzle was unsolvable because I put a word in the wrong spot, or I put the wrong word in the wrong box or whatever, and it totally screwed it up. So I'm ready to go. I can print this off. My students have an level easy Sudoku puzzle with the body parts on it. It doesn't take me too long, it took me like 3 minutes to make it. Or maybe 4 if you count the time of searching for a Sudoku puzzle and opening up my Google Docs and stuff like that. It's not very hard. I can just print it off and I'm ready to go. Again, the document you see on the screen is available to you blank in the description of the video, and you can use that to make your own. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for coming by, and we'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.